Hello friends, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to create this kind of animation inside of After Effects. तो जैसे कि आप देखा होगा काफी यूट्यूबर इस्तेमाल करता है अपने वीडियो में and this kind of animation. So let's jump into the After Effects. So now we're in After Effects. Let's click here to create a composition and choose the dimension. So I'm going to choose 9020 and height 1080 and duration 10 seconds. Click OK. Go to rectangle tool and hold the left mouse button and create a rounded rectangle, something like this. And go to selection tool, select the shape one, and go to align panel. If you cannot see align panel here, so go to window and enable from here. So let's align horizontally and vertically. Select this rectangle one and click this right arrow and select rectangle path one, right click and convert to Bezier path. So go to pen tool and create a point over here and here. Select this point and drag something like this. So go to text tool and type text here. So I'm going to type 50K. Go to selection tool and let's align this text. So now I'm going to use a expression. So I will provide this expression in link in the description. So let's copy this expression. Select this text layer and click this right arrow and select this text and click right arrow and select this source text and hold alt key and click the stop button icon and paste this expression over here. So let's preview. So now we have a problem. So we need to change this value from percentage to K. So now we're going to modify. So let's expand. So now we're going to change this percentage between double quotation change and type capital K. You can see now it has changed. So now we're going to change also this as stop value. So where you want to stop this countdown? So I'm going to stop with the 50K. So let's change from 100 to 50. So now let's click this right and go to new and click the solid layer and name it solid layer. So I'm going to name it BG and choose the color according to you. So I'm going to choose green color so I can remove this greens with the help of Ultra key. Click OK and OK. Let's change this solid color behind. So this is our final result. So let's preview. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. And if this video is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up.